SEO. Today we are going to cover one of the popular questions by Google certification exams, right? This is the most asked question by a Google, and even a most asked questions even searched on Google, right? So the question is, which client would you advise to advertise on the Google search network? This question is related to a Google search network, right? And if you're giving an exam right now, so you must be seeing these four options, right? Which is Jim, who wants to reach people on social networks interested in poetry. The second option, Susie, who wants to reach people browsing travel websites about China. Option number three, Bill, who wants to reach people looking for plumbing services. And option number four, Carol, who wants to reach people watching YouTube videos. Now, the correct answer is option number three. Yes. So the option number three says Bell, who wants to reach people looking for plumbing services. Why this answer is correct, I'll give an explanation. Right? It's pretty simple. The Google Search Network is a cluster of search related websites and apps, or you can say it's a group, or Google has a network, right? Including Google has a network where the advertiser can be anyone, like you can also be an advertiser, where the advertiser can bid to display the ads accordingly. When you set up ads on the Google search network, your ads can be seen near search result when someone searches with the terms related to one of your targeted keywords or a key phrases. Now if you did not understand this statement, whatever I was said, right, or I'm displaying you in the front of you, you did not understand, right? So we'll go back to the questions first. Which client would you advise to advertise on the Google search network, right? Now I'll give you a live example related to Google Search Network and what does it mean, right? If you have not set up any ads, or if you did not understand what is actually a Google Search Network and how it works, so it's really a pretty simple. I'll give an explanation just right away. First, we will go to a Google, right? And for example, let's suppose we have a business in New York. Like for example, Bill has a business in New York, right? His business is plumbing business. Now he want to set up a Google ads, right? So how his ads will appear on the Google, right, or Google search network, right? So for example, customer will search plumbing services NYC. So for example, Bill has a business in New York, and if anyone is looking for his services, so he must be searching, customers must be searching plumbing services NYC or anything else, right? Which is like plumbing, best plumbing services NYC. It depends on the keywords, right? So this is the key phrase we have, which is plumbing services NYC. Now I'll show you what is actually a Google search, Google search network means and how it works. It's first, it's display something like it, right? So you can see the two ads triggered the moment you search plumbing services NYC, right? So there is one company running an ads, right, which is senateplumbing.com, and there is one more company, brooklynplumbersnyc.com, right? So these two ads triggered the moment I search plumbing services NYC, right? So this is what a Google, this is what a Google ads, or you can say that. So this is what Google ads, right? And this is what we have a Google platform. Now what is Google search platform? For example, Google has a search network which is an ask.com as well, right? This is a partnered network by a Google, right? So anyone can search here as well, plumbing services NYC. Look, yeah, you can see that sendingplumbing.com is also appearing here the moment I search plumbing services and NY. So this is a search networks. There are n numbers of search networks, working closely with Google, right? So any advertiser can bid according to the keywords they are setting up, used on their ads platform, and the targeting audience in a city. So this is how Google search networks works, right? And that's why Bill, that's why we have the option which says Bill, who wants to reach people looking for a plumbing service. This is the right answer, right? So thank you